कुछ फील हो रहा है, सब फील हो रहा है।
If you think you will become rich only when your salary increases or you hit a lottery, then watch this video till end. I will show you why their thinking is wrong. Hi, this is Manisha. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's discuss together the money habits that can actually make you rich. Don't wait for that one day when you will suddenly become rich. Change the way you deal with money and see the difference. Because becoming wealthy and staying wealthy are two different things. So let's start with the habits you need to build wealth and stay wealthy. First is spend with a plan. If you spend without any plan the day your salary comes, you will always be out of money at the month end. You can control your finances by preparing a monthly budget. Decide the amount that will go for your needs, wants, and savings and investment. And most importantly, if you have any loan, then pay off that first. And trust me, once you start tracking your money, you will realize that you don't have an income problem, you have a spending problem. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about giving every rupee a purpose. Second is pay yourself first. Now, what do I mean by paying ourselves from our own salary? See, the moment your salary comes, you start spending it on things and pay to others. But try to flip the script. Pay yourself first by keeping some amount aside as your savings. So, in short, don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after your savings. This concept has been explained so beautifully in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's one of my favorite books. If you want to start with any personal finance book, then definitely start with this one. The author has explained how companies pay themselves first in terms of companies' expenses and then pay taxes on the rest of the income. In the same way, you can also save on your taxes by investing into tax saving instruments. Third, save your money before you grow it. Don't just cover the daily expenses without any safety net for emergencies. See, future is uncertain and we know that. Most people think that insurance and emergency funds are boring. But one medical emergency, one job loss, and everything you have built can disappear. So be prepared for it and have an emergency funds that is at least equal to your 6 months of expenses. Fourth is make your money work for you. Do you know only 3 to 5% of the entire population in India invest in stock market or mutual fund? But just saving won't help because you need to beat inflation if you really want to grow your wealth. Most people think that I will start investing when I earn more or I am young, I have enough time for retirement planning. But let me tell you that it is not the amount that matters. It's the time that matters in investing. I will show you what starting early does to your wealth. Consider a monthly investment of Rs 5,000 and expected annual return as 12%. Now see the amount at the time of retirement if you start at different ages. A person who has started investing at the age of 20 ended up with a corpus of Rs 5.92 crore, and who started at the age of 30, the amount is 1.77 crore. As you can see, there is a huge difference between the amount. The reason is compounding. You may check out my video on the power of compounding to fully understand it. So don't just save, invest your money. You may start with as low as Rs 100 or 500 as monthly SIP. Also, don't invest blindly. Make a proper financial plan for yourself. If you want me to help you out in how to prepare a financial plan, then let me know in the comment section. I will prepare a detailed video for this topic. Last is don't raise your lifestyle equally with your income. One mistake most people make is the moment their salary goes up, their lifestyle goes up with it. New phone, new car, bigger house, fancier vacations, and suddenly, even with the double income, they are still broke at the end of the month. As a human being, we all want to be respected and admired by others, and we think that buying fancy things will bring this to us. But trust me, kindness and empathy will bring more respect to you. So when your income increases, maintain your lifestyle and invest the rest of the amount and grow your money even more. You might not realize the need to change the way you deal with your money, but if you are living in just present without planning for your future finance, you must bring changes to your money habits to avoid any kind of financial shock in future. This was all for this video. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.